Hello, welcome to SM Creatives Introduction to Pixellab Day 2. So without much time ado, let's jump into our Pixellab. And here is my Pixellab. So already I was doing something, so let's get back at fresh. So as we discussed last week, this is about text. So whatever you want to write, let's write some capital. So here, write. You can change the color. So if you want to get color, you come around here. Here A, position it on A. Position it on A, this A, and you get your color around. Get your color here. Then you choose the desired color you wish for yourself. Right? So better say we can delete this one. We want to change the background as well. Copy box, right? So you click on those copy box. You see this is for color. So let's go step by step. So we have color here, this, the kind of color you want for the background, then you choose. This is gradient color. So if you want one color, you use here. Okay, so I want white. Okay, this is also transparent. The next one is transparent. This is used to save mostly logo designs or any design you do and you prefer that you want to save it in transparent or PNG. PNG simple means it comes with no background. It comes with no background. So immediately you save your design with this, it means that it comes with no background, right? So you click on it, you see. So these are pixels. Undo it. So click on undo and we are back. This is image size. Let me show you. This is the image size we are using. This is a square size, so we could also erase it and put 4x4. 4x4, same thing. See, that is a square side. So it's also here, image here. That is when you want to use an image as the background. That is when you want to use an image as the background. So let's put it into practice and see. You see, so we want to use this as an image for the background. This, you see that, in case you want to write something, you see that. So these are an already built ones in Pixellab. You can use them the way you want. Come on, use it, but we don't need it for now, so let's undo it. So let's move to crop. Is here. Assuming we want to crop an image, then we click on crop. You see, this is the size of it we have. So we have 1:1, 16:9, 4:3, 3:2, 9:16, and so on and so forth. Rotate an image. These are to rotate an image. This is to lock the image as well, and this is to circle around the image, or to circle around the image. So that is it practically. Okay, so you see, as I was talking about this rotate, so you see it has changed. You see it has changed. So you see it has changed, it has changed, it has changed. So these are just relative positions. It helps you to position the image or the text the way you want it to be. In case you want to also crop it, you can just move it upward, downward, then you crop it the way you want. In case you want it to be a round one, circle, and you take click on the circle, then size it the way you want your circle to be. So if you want your circle to be at the middle of it, then you click OK. You see that. Okay, so you see, let me show you here. So we're talking about the sizes here. So undo this. We're talking about sizes. So let's click on this 1:1. So you see the size. 16:6. You see the size you want, then you go for it. You go for it. So that is that. So let's move. After image, we have gallery. So gallery enables you to pick images from your phone or your device. Gallery here from your phone, and camera too allows you to do so. So let's click on gallery and apply it practically. So click here, gallery. So you see this is gallery. Okay, so let's say example, I want to use something like this design. I created this design recently. So there's something here I want to show you. You see the background does not move. So this is to show that yes, I want to use this image as a background for my design. So this image has been a background for the design. It looks like as it was already white. So this image has replaced that white. That is why the image cannot move again. So any kind of design we are doing it on top of this flyer design. See, so that is why we have this. So look at it, for instance. You see, so any kind of work we do, we are doing it on top of this flyer design. Okay, so let's undo it and go. So you see, it replaces the white background here to represent a background for our design. So that is what from gallery do for you. If you want to use an image to do your background, that is how it is. So let's now move to camera, which is here, camera. So click on camera. Okay, so in case you want to use a camera in the daytime to do something, to snap something, then you can go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and do that. So we also have something like this here. Let's take this. Okay, we'll reduce it. We also have something like rotate here. Rotate. We also have this. Okay, so you see it is giving you a background to work on. Yes, a style of background as to how you may prefer it. You see, so this is what it does practically. This is what it does for you practically. So we don't need this. Let's take it off. So let's go to noise. So when we enable noise, it's more or less a background to work on. It's more or less a background to work on. So let's go to strips. So you see, this is what it gives you. It's a background to help you to work on something. So let's go on brightness. You see, kind of effect on the background, right? So you see there's effect on the background. Okay, so let's go to contrast. Change the color to this. If you want gradient, you can change it as well. Then you can now start. You can work on whatever you want. It's just a background to work on. So let's change this to okay. So thank you for being with me, and this is SM Creatives. I appreciate your time here, and we'll continue tomorrow, God willing. See you in my next tutorial. Congratulations for being with me. Let's improve our technology together. Bye.